Hello, my name is Sufyan Anwar. This is our work about Lamsley Childcare. This is the table of contents. We have to start about the company profile, then the audit of the external environment of the company. Then under that, we have to speak about marketing segmentation, SWOT analysis, PESTEL, Porter 5 forces. Then after we have to discuss the challenges faced by childcare market, childcare service market. We have to speak about challenges related to staff satisfaction and retention and how to overcome these challenges. And after that, recommended marketing strategies. And finally, financial breakdown of the recommended strategy. The company profile. Lamsley Childcare, or LSC, is a registered charity established in June 1992 by John Alexander to help parents balance work and family commitment by providing quality, fun-filled childcare during school holidays. LSC is now one of the largest and longest established childcare provider in Gateshead. Here is some figures about LSC. It has 26 years of experience. It cares for up to 230 children and offer breakfast and out-of-school care in 6 local schools in Gateshead. Here we have the total expenditure and the total income. The market segmentation. For the market segmentation, for the geographic part, LSC is located in Lamsley in Gateshead in the north of England. For the demographic part, LSC target the young children up to 5 years old and differently able children and older children. For the psychographic part, make sure LSC to make sure that children learn and develop well and are kept safe and healthy. Offer a range of play activity that encourage children to develop. For the behavioral, LSC boosts children's personal, social, and emotional development, and also LSC provide for children to build resilience and problem solving. For the SWOT analysis of LSC, for the strength of LSC, it has highly qualified staff team, staff with greater qualification, wide range of service offered for children, and highly competitive price, quality service, achieved the 4 children quality assurance streaming, and offers several opportunities to children, excellent relationship between the club, parent, and school, bright and vibrant clubs. For the weaknesses, it's not well developed on social media. The website needs more work and development and has small amount of events organized by LSC. Finally, operate just from the Gateshead. Opportunities. It's build new partnership, increase the budget, further improve of the quality, gain more quality certification and charity fundraising. The three is impact of the COVID, high competition. I will let my friend speak about 5 forces portal.
Hi, this is Manikanta. I would like to speak about the five forces of the portal. The threat of the new entrant, low innovative new products, building economy of the scale, building capacities and spending money on the research and development. Degree of the rivalry, high LC operators in the very competitive consumer service industry. This competition does not take toll on the over long-term profitability of the organization. Threat of the submission, high. The patients of the children can substitute the LC by children club or get help from the members of the family. Bargain the power of supplier, high. Powerful supplier in the consumer service use their negotiating power to extract higher price from the frame. Bargaining power of the buyers, high. Buyers of the often demanding a lot, put pressure on the LC profitably in the long run. Coming to the pistol analysis. There is a political, social, economical, technological, legal, environmental. The political LC is operating in the consumer service and exposing itself to different types of political environment and political systems. The achieve success in such a dynamic consumer services industry across gates ahead is a diversify the systematic risk of the political environment. Coming to the economical, LC can use the environmental, economical factors such as growth rate, inflation, and industry's economic indicators such as consumer service industry growth rate, consumer spending. Social, shared belief and attitudes of the population play a great role in how marketing such as Lamsley Children Care will understand the consumer of the given market and how they design the market message for consumer service industry consumers. Coming to technological, recent technological developments by the Lamsley Children Care competitors technologies impact on the Fenfort University 2020 product offering, impact on cost structure in consumer service industry impact on the value chain structure in consumer services sector, rate of the technological diffusion, and the fund for university in 2020. Legal, antitrust law in consumer services industry and overall in the country, discrimination law for university, copyright, patents and intellectual property law, consumer production and e-commerce, employment in the law for university, health and safety in law for university, data protection. Coming to environmental, weather, climate change laws regulating environmental pollution, air and water pollution regulations in the consumer services industry, recycling, waste management in the consumer service sector, attitudes toward greener ecological products, endangered species, attitudes towards and support for the renewable energy. Next one is continued by my friend.
So the challenges faced by childcare services. Among the challenges, the first one, it's not enough funding. Difficulties of recruiting staff who are qualified, low enrollment, high staff turnover, and pay scale doesn't represent dedication and the hard work. For the challenges faced by childcare, the high staff turnover is due to low wages, stressful job, burnout, and minimal advancement opportunities. For the lack of funding, 662 million funding gap facing the sector this year. It highlights that 38 of providers in the private area are making a loss, but sitting in affluent neighborhoods are failing effect too, where 23% are in the red. For the third one, childcare workers earn less partly because their individual qualification would command less in other jobs as well, and partly because the positive features of childcare attracts women, even though they could earn more doing other work. For the fourth one issue, problem recruiting and retaining well-qualified staff to work in childcare service and creation is putting their survival at risk. And then lastly, issue with decreased enrollment and the higher operating costs, childcare is hit hard amid COVID. I will let my friends speak about how to overcome these challenges.
Hello everyone, my name is Komal Patel. Today I am presenting on how to overcome these challenges. So first, the government should urgently commit to reviewing local authorities funding rates for 30 hours free and to carrying out subsequent annual reviews to reflect on change in the cost of doing business. And second one, the government should create a new 100% business rates relief for childcare providers in England. So third one, the government should provide clear information for parents on the childcare choices website on 30 hours free and different charging models that providers may use in order to upload the reputation of the sector and improve transparency of the policy. And last one, the government should consult with childcare providers and sector respected on the current rules around entertainment to explore where greater flexibility that benefits for both parents and providers might be possible. So next one, my friend.
Hello, my name is Chetna Maida and today I present a recommendation in marketing strategy. Recommendation 1, increase the percentage allocated for training the staff. Next one, recommendation 2, impose a variety of certification and diploma before the requirement of staff. And third one, recommendation 3, equip the center with the latest technology and develop more in social media to gain more audience. And this is a financial breakdown of recommendation strategy. This is a total income is for like 87,933 pounds. Expenses is 30,000 pound and training of staff 10,000 pound and developing in social media is 10,000 pound and investing in the latest technology is 10,000 pound. Thank you so much.